Gundruk and Dhido?
Yes, I have. आज सुबह ही इसी इन्हीं महाशय ने बताया था मुझे. हाँ, और अब मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं. After my event in Deja Vu Club, probably me and him.
Sure.
We're gonna go on date.
Yes.
He's gonna take me out.
Sure.
To have some street food.
Yes.
That's done. You're saying that on camera. Excitement you can see on my face. Of course I'm excited. I have an amazing surprise for you. And trust me, dhamaka hoga.
For me?
For you?
Yes.
Camera cut करते बाद में बोलते. But you have to take me out, na?
Sure.
For date?
Sure.
हाँ, date.
Welcome. This is a Himalaya Post TV show, and today we have a special guest, hot and so beautiful actress from Bollywood. She is here in Nepal, and we are feeling so lucky to interact with her. And welcome to our show.
Seriously, even I'm lucky to interact with you.
Poonam Pandey.
Hello.
You are so beautiful and hot actress in Bollywood, India.
Thank you. Thank you.
And how you feel being here in Kathmandu?
Okay, I've just landed yesterday. It's my first time in Kathmandu. I don't really have much to talk about it because I need to go out and experience everything. Kal se aayi hui hu. I've been sleeping, working. कुछ बाहर जाके खाने का मौका नहीं मिला.
Taking just a rest.
Yeah, just no, not rest.
Yes.
अब हम बेचारे लोग हम कहाँ रेस्ट करें. But yes, I'm a lazy one when I'm not working. I prefer to just sleep. I have plans to actually go out tomorrow.
Yes.
Out in Kathmandu. I just want to go out on the streets and I want to have some street food. And probably after that, I'm going to post stuff on my Instagram, on my Twitter, on my Facebook. Well, I've been already posting stuff about Nepal a lot. If you go on all my social media pages, you will see I'm actually in Nepal, posting.
Selfie.
Yeah, just doing
Yes.
that. And everyone was like, oh God, you're in Nepal, you're in Nepal. That's kind of comments I'm getting on my
Yes.
page. So, yeah.
And from the beginning, what is your purpose to be here?
My purpose.
Yes.
My purpose, मुझे the organizers and everyone from the Deja Vu Club, they have invited me here.
Okay.
They think I'm big enough. They called me to watch the final football World Cup with their audience, and I'm so super excited to watch
Football final organizing in Russia.
Yes.
You are a football lover? Sports lover?
Well, according to people, I am. According to me, I am not.
You are not.
No.
But you are here to watch the World Cup final.
क्यों नहीं यार, सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मुझे भी देखना है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Yes.
मैंने भी वर्ल्ड कप एंजॉय करना है. मैंने क्या पाप किया है?
From Nepal?
हाँ, मैं मुझे भी देखना है वर्ल्ड कप. मैं भी cheer करूँगी मेरी स्टाइल में.
You have also a favorite country?
Croatia.
Which is?
Croatia. Babe, super we had an interview.
Yes,
I already told you about this. Why are you asking me again? एक ही सवाल. Ask me something else, buddy.
To all the viewers.
To the viewers, everyone, Croatia is the country I'm supporting.
From the beginning, you are a supporter of Croatia, or after?
नहीं, not from the beginning. To be honest, मैंने expect भी नहीं किया था, और मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो भी फुटबॉल देख रहे हैं. I don't think कि किसने भी expect किया था. It's like fuck me, Croatia in the finals, and
yes.
it's amazing. वो बोलते हैं ना, कुछ भी हो सकता है, you know. कुछ भी हो सकता है लाइफ में. So yeah, so so I'm just, I want to see कि और क्या हो सकता है basically. That's what I want.
Which was your favorite country in beginning, from beginning?
Honestly, my dear, I've been supporting France.
France.
I am
France
not,
also in final.
I know. France
Yes.
is also in.
Poonamji, and what is your plan being here to visit or get some lunch or dinner plan?
Lunch and
Yes.
dinner.
And visiting.
Yeah, lunch or dinner.
What type of
I'm gonna ask all your viewers as well that please comment and tell me some really, really nice dishes in Nepal, because I'm really keen, because I'm a vegetarian.
you are vegetarian?
Yeah.
Yes.
Paki vegetarian, don't even eat egg. तो मुझे बड़ी दिक्कत होती है, sometimes to get the right food, because
Yes.
according to people it's all about chicken and
Yeah,
love
mutton
it.
and
Yeah. So I want to know, the best Nepal dishes. So probably I can go out and I can just.
you want to taste. You heard about the Gundruk and Dhido?
Yes, I have. आज सुबह ही इसी इन्हीं महाशय ने बताया था मुझे. हाँ, और अब मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं. मैं बहुत कमी नहीं हूँ.
Yes, you are so clever.
Okay, so I heard about this really yummy dish.
Yes.
मुझे आज morning में actually हमारा press conference हुआ था और मुझे
Yes.
कैमरा तो मुझे 4-5 लोग मुझे बाकायदा वहाँ पे बिठा के they were telling me, oh, you have to try this, you have to try this, you have to. और उसमें से ये एक नाम था.
Yes.
What was the name again?
Gundruk and Dhido.
Gundruk?
It's a completely typical Nepalese food.
Yeah. So this is what I want to try. This
You
is
must try it.
For sure.
You
for
must
sure
try
I want
it.
to try. Will you take me out?
Sure, why not?
What time are you free?
Always free for you.
Okay, he's always free for me. Probably.
Yes.
So guys, after my event in Deja Vu Club, probably me and him,
Sure.
we're gonna go on date.
Yes.
He's gonna take me out
Sure.
to have some street food.
Yes.
That's done. You're saying that on camera. You cannot deny that.
I promise to be with Poonam Pandey as a date.
My boyfriend will kill him.
Yes, you have boyfriend.
No, I'm single.
Why you have a problem
I'm a
with
big
me?
Jhooty. You have no idea. I will say anything, whatever you say. I don't care.
You have no problem to be with me.
I have no problem.
To get
Of
to
course,
get a Nepalese food.
You are such a cute looking guy. Just look at the camera. Look.
You are so beautiful.
Look there.
You are so
Stop
beautiful
flirting
actress.
with me. Look there.
Yes, thank you
You
so
see,
much, and
he's so
you are
cute.
also beautiful actress.
Really?
Really.
Thank you.
All over the world, your fans are so excited to watch you and searching you.
Okay.
So massive.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you. Well, I'm happy. I actually it's actually fun, and I wish I want to do more and more. जब तक मैं 80-90 साल की हो जाऊंगी, तब तक I want to do whatever I'm doing.
Yes,
So I want more love and more love and more love. How cool that would be, and I'll be 80 and I'll wear bikinis. Imagine that. I can imagine that. Can you imagine that?
You are hot always.
Perfect. Awesome. So that's what I'm gonna do.
And Poonamji,
Yeah.
you also want to visit somewhere special in Nepal or near about Kathmandu?
Yes. Jokes apart, right now, I actually wanna visit the Buddha temples.
Buddha temple.
आज सुबह से मेरे mom के मुझे 4 messages आ चुके हैं.
Okay.
अभी when I was out there, when we had a press conference, when we were talking about Deja Vu Club, moment I came in and my mom is like, Acha, you're in hotel resting na beta, why don't you go out and just go and visit? I'm like, Mom, I have some other work to do. So probably I'm gonna go tomorrow, I'm gonna do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to go in Buddha temple.
Yeah.
You know, Buddha was born in here in Nepal.
Yeah.
In Lumbini.
Yeah.
You heard it before?
Of course, yes, I've heard it. I think everybody knows about it. So that's what I reckon. because I know this since I was a kid. My mother told me, so I believe, and I believe this that I think सबकी mom dad ने उनको बताया होगा, because Buddha is like everyone follows him and is like the most calmest and the whole thing about him. So yeah, so I believe everyone knows about that part. I believe that, I guess so. Yeah.
And what you are doing nowadays in Mumbai or in film industry?
Well, nowadays I'm here in Nepal
Yes.
to visit Deja Vu Club.
Okay.
Mumbai का मुंबई में देखेंगे. You don't worry about it.
You are so busy.
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल फ्री हूँ. हम डेट पे जा रहे हैं ना.
Sure.
मैं बिल्कुल.
Sure, you have time.
Yeah,
Only for me?
मैं
or
only for you. मैं free.
Yes. And another any purpose or plan besides Deja Vu and watching
you know
the
what?
football?
Beside Deja Vu, he's like, stop promoting Deja Vu right now. But you know what? They have paid me enough, so I'm going to promote Deja Vu. Not going to promote it.
We already promote from the beginning. Yes.
See, I'm going to promote Deja Vu. I'm not going to promote anything else. Imagine. See, this is a camera. The organizers and the clients are just standing behind the camera,
Yes.
and they're looking at me. If I say anything else, they're looking at me like this. So I gotta speak about the Deja Vu Club.
Don't worry, you are so strong.
Just kidding. No, they're nice people. I'm just playing
Yes.
around. Well, that's the only plan right now, and that's why I'm here in Nepal. I'm actually here for a very short time. That's why it's nothing much to do, and I'm a bit mad about that part. But once I come back here, probably I'm gonna come here for a month, Shanti mein, sab chhod chhad ke, and I will just come and I will go everywhere I want to go. Probably I would just catch a bus and just with a backpack, and that's what I'm gonna do.
Do you have plan to visit Pashupatinath temple? You heard about?
Of course, yes.
Pashupatinath?
That is where I want to go actually.
One thing is that you are single. Yes. Yes.
No. Yes. No.
You are not
Yes.
married. You are not married.
No, I'm not married. Actually, मेरे 10 बच्चे हैं मेरे दिमाग में.
In future.
ना मेरे दिमाग में मेरी शादी हो चुकी, मेरे बच्चे हो चुके. I have everything.
So
in
you
my
are
life.
actress.
Look, I enjoy stuff. I don't prefer I prefer to talk anything that I want to.
Poonamji, I am telling you about the Pashupatinath is that most of the Nepalese women and Nepalese girls are praying God Shiva in Sawan month. It is coming near about, and they are pray to Shiva God whole throughout the month in Sawan.
I'm a very,
Yes,
very,
you
very
are lucky.
big, very
Yes, you are lucky to
Serious?
be here
Serious?
near about to begin of month of Shravan, and the Shravan month is called month of God Shiva, and you are here in the land of the Shiva, Pashupatinath.
Wow.
Do you have plan to visit? To
Okay.
get someone?
Hello, everyone behind the camera. Please take me there now after the promotions. He's forcing me, and no, not forcing me. I'm sorry.
If you visit in Pashupatinath temple, obviously you will get your company.
Okay. I'm a believer of Shiva since I was a baby, because we come from a Hindu Brahmin family. So I've seen my mother doing puja literally all day. मैं थोड़ी सी अलग हूँ. I don't know why, but I love myself, and everyone who follows me, they accept me the way I am, and they all love me. God is kind to me. I would definitely go. I would definitely go, because who would want to miss a chance if I am actually at this
Yes,
holy
yes,
place?
yes.
And now that you're mentioning this beautiful thing to me,
Yes.
I am 100 100% sure I'm gonna do this now.
You are belongs to Hindu religion?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You don't know
Do you
that?
believe? Yes, I am also.
Pandey,
Yes,
Hindu,
I am also. Pandey also. Just you are like a Nepalese girl, Poonam Pandey. Pandey caste also here in Nepal.
Really?
Yes, obviously.
सब पांडेयों को पांडे जी को मेरा नमस्कार.
Yes. So you are saying just like a Nepalese girl.
Really?
Nepalese daughter.
Thank you. ये actually मुझे सबसे आज की किसने बहुत अच्छी मुझे आज बात बोल दी. Thank you. Thank you.
You will give me treat for this.
ये देखा. देखो. I mean on camera? Seriously?
Yes.
What kind of man he is?
So I am supporting
Definitely
you and
my boyfriend is gonna kill him. Okay, sorry.
And you also believe in God also.
Of course, yes.
Yes.
I've hardly met people who don't. I mean, everyone has their own choices, my dear. From the family that I've come since I was a kid, I've seen my father, mother praying Lord Shiva and always talking about Buddha. And I've always seen that. So this is what we do. This is our business. This is the way we have to portray outside, you know. But we are not like this in my house. In my house, you'll see me. It's not that I change a different personality, but in my house, it's always with my parents, and it's a whole different thing. Yeah. So I personally, I believe a lot in God. In fact, I would say I don't come from a film background, right? So I think whatever I have today, if I'm sitting here today and if people are inviting me to this beautiful place called Nepal, where literally, you know, if I'm telling someone right now that I'm in Nepal, they're like, wow, you're in Nepal. So, and I'm lucky enough to be here. And I think God is kind to me.
Yes.
That's how
yes,
I
obviously.
see it. So I'm 100% believer of God. 100%.
Yes, and you are here in Kathmandu, capital city of Nepal, and you are so famous actress in Bollywood in India, all over the India, and how you connect and how you suggest to the Nepalese film industry. Bollywood is so huge, and here also Nepalese film industry, and what is your suggestion to the Nepalese film industry?
Okay, I'm too small to suggest or say anything. I think every industry is big in their own way. That's how I look at it, and I'm actually a nobody to suggest someone, my dear. In fact, when I was coming in the morning to the press conference,
Okay.
My car was just driving, and I could see every girl passing by and every people passing by, and I could just look at them. I'm like, they were just so gorgeous.
Yes.
I think the women here they are so beautiful, so beautiful. That's how. Yeah. I could not take my eyes off. I could not take my eyes off. Imagine आप लोग की क्या हालत होगी. So I'm very, very lucky that I'm here. I'm very lucky. Yeah.
Do you know about? Do you know some actor and actress in Nepal?
Okay. Honestly, I don't have much idea. Of course, when I watched Maricom, Sunil Thapa is the name I'm aware of, to be honest, and probably I would love to meet him one day, because I've seen a couple of his time. I've seen Priyanka Chopra's interview, and and of course Maricom. Who doesn't know? It's like everybody knows. So
the famous actress in Bollywood, Monisha Koirala, from here.
Yes, and the most gorgeous lady. Oh my God! I mean, the way she talks and the way she is, the way she carries herself, that's just so mesmerizing. That's just so beautiful.
Poonam Pandey, what is glamour?
Okay, there is not a clean definition for what is glamour. I would say, according to me, see, it's not that if you, I mean, if I wear stuff like that, because I want to wear stuff like that. I'm comfortable wearing stuff like that. But I would not say that this is glamour, that is glamour, okay, wearing this kind of dress, okay, that's glamour. I think it's more about your attitude. That's how I would define glamour. Yeah. Yeah.
And do you have any plan to shoot some film project in Nepal?
I definitely have that plan. लेकिन उस plan से पहले मैं बहुत मारूंगी. मुझे एक महीने के लिए यहाँ पे बैग पैक करके सब छोड़ के आना है. That's my actual plan.
Only for visiting.
Yeah. No. It's not about only for visiting. Of course, I would love to work. I'm here now for work. But more than that, I've heard so much about Nepal that I actually want to explore Nepal first. I just don't want to come here always to work. You know what I'm saying? I actually want to go out and I actually want to explore and I want to keep those memories in my life. So when I'm like 50 or 60, I would remember that, oh, I went there and I actually have seen so many beautiful things in my life. That's what I want. Yeah.
You know, Nepalese and all Indian culture and all the things are similar. Yeah, you know. And just skins and just faces also similar. And you know about yes, you know about the accents culture of Nepal and India.
No, I've not much idea.
You heard the Sita and Ram from the beginning.
Yeah.
The god.
Yeah, of course I've heard.
Sita from here and Ram from India, and cultural exchange and historical relationship.
Of course, I've heard about the Ramayana a lot from my mother, about his 14 saal vanvas and about everything. But itna deep knowledge nahi hai what you're asking me right now. But jitni stories मैंने सुनी है बचपन में, that the way, you know, Sita was taken out by Ravana and how Ram and, you know, how and the whole पूरी story अभी बताऊंगी तो 2 घंटे लग जाएंगे. The camera guy, he would sleep there. So everyone knows the story anyway.
Yes.
If I know, everyone knows for sure. Yeah.
And you will be there in Deja Vu Sunday night.
Yeah.
Football final, World Cup final. Exciting.
Excitement you can see on my face. Of course I'm excited.
Yes. And what you want to say to all the fans?
All the fans, I'm gonna say that Sunday night I'm gonna be in Deja Vu Club, and trust me, guys and girls, I have an amazing surprise for you, and trust me, dhamaka hoga. So I see you there.
Anything to say?
और नहीं बोलूँगी. और
for me?
For you?
Yes.
Camera cut करते बाद में बोलते. But you have to take me out ना?
Sure.
For date?
Sure.
हाँ, date.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you being with us. Thank you, Poonam Pandey.
Thank you.
Thank
You can
you.
call me Poonam. Poonam Pandey नहीं बोलना.
Poonam.
Yeah, Poonam.
Thank you.
Okay. That's like a strong shake, like deal done,
Yes,
boss.
yes.